Hello everyone, welcome to all in YourPedia Global. My name is Manish Singh and today I am going to discuss with you some PhD opportunities, global PhD opportunities, correct? So let's see one by one. So actually in this I am discussing the PhD opportunities in additive manufacturing. So as we know that additive manufacturing is a very emerging technology and right now the whole world is working on it, and even entire engineering community, whether it is belongs to mechanical engineering or it is belongs to civil engineering or from electrical electronics, any engineering, correct? So everyone is extensively contributing on this technology, correct? So let's see one by one what are the opportunities and how you can get this opportunity. So first you can see here, that is the University of Birmingham, in which the School of Metallurgy and Materials, this is the department, and the University of Birmingham, in which we have one opportunity, that is PhD opportunity actually. And if I talk about the research area, then you can see here intermetallic strengthened high temperature steel for demanding fusion plant application. So those students who are from mechanical engineering or metallurgical engineering, so this is very nice opportunity for you, and especially you work on the steel, high strength steel, correct? And it is used for fusion plant. And if I talk about the research, in this research group what is going on actually, and what are the prerequisites requirement, and what type of knowledge you must have for applying this opportunity, then you can see here this research group investigate new alloy for extreme environment fusion or fission reactor to aerospace, gas turbine and concentrated solar power. So mainly this is actually this opportunity you belongs to a nuclear power or a high temperature application material, correct? And you can see this involves the design of fundamental new alloys by computational method, production through arc melting, powder metallurgy or additive manufacturing. That's why I am telling you. And characterization using advanced electron microscopy, X-ray diffraction technique, that is XRD, mechanical testing using macro and micro mechanical methods. Micro and mechanical methods means we need to perform, you need to perform tensile test, you need to perform hardness test, that is macro hardness or micro hardness, is that right? And failure investigation, environmental behavior means you need to check where it's a corrosive resistance, correct? And wear resistance, oxidation resistance, irradiation damage, etc., correct? So this is the core area in which the research is in future it is going on, and it is fully funded program, you can see here. And if I talk about the deadline, so you can see this is a rolling advertisement, and the applications are accepted all year around till the vacancy is filled, yes or no, correct? And now you can see, if I talk about the requirement and eligibility, the candidate should have first class undergraduate or master degree in material science or related disciplines like mechanical engineering, metallurgy engineering, correct? Or those who already worked on materials. A background in microstructure characterization and or mechanical testing would be advantageous. Means those students who have done masters program in especially in materials, and they perform microstructural analysis, mechanical testing, then this is very nice opportunity for you guys. And this opportunity belongs to the professor name is that Dr. S. Knowles, and you can also search his profile, correct, in Google Scholar, so you can get more information regarding this, correct? Okay, let's see another opportunity that is again for PhD program, that in the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering at the University of Cincinnati. And if I talk about the research area, then this is the broad research area for this opportunity, that is additive manufacturing based on gas precursors and chipless wireless wearable sensors, hemispherical infrared image sensors using back-end offline processing and water splitting electrolyzer for hydrogen production. So this is the core topic on this research, and this program is fully funded including tuition stipend and benefits will be provided. And if I talk about the deadline, then the opening is available until filled. So you see here this opportunity is available till the vacancy is filled, is that right? So there is no such deadline, but you need to if you interested for this opportunity, so you need to apply as soon as possible, correct. And the admission to PhD program for any semester and the adjustment of its start date can be arranged, is that right? And then now if I talk about the requirement and eligibility, so and you must have a bachelor or master degree in electrical engineering, material science or related field, means those who have those who have done BTech in electrical or material science, then you are eligible. And even though those students who are graduated from metallurgical engineering or material science and engineering, correct, then also you are eligible for this program. And minimum 3.0 grade pay, average GPA or a 4.0 scale in their highest degree earned, and the test score for TOEFL is a minimum 92, IELTS a minimum 6.5, correct. So this is the prerequisites, and it is GRE general test score is required with the exemption of any student that receives their bachelor's degree from ABET accredited university in the United States or GPA of 3 plus 3.0 plus, although GRE scores are required. So you can see GRE scores is required, so you must have qualified GRE. And Professor Yongkin Kim, he is the professor, correct, under this. And you can also visit the professor's profile so that you can understand more about this opportunity. So this is all about opportunity of this week. So if you, dear students, if you have if you are interested for these opportunities, and if you facing any difficulty in any stage while application, whether you are facing difficulties in making SOPs or for the application or for the contacting of the professors, correct, or anything, if you have any difficulty, you just contact us. YourPedia global team must help you, correct. So this is all about this opportunity. Thank you for watching and good day to all of you guys.